Imagine this. You swipe a card, boom, beach in Bali. Swipe again, designer shoes. Another swipe. Steak dinner, no guilt. Sounds magical, right? That's the fantasy credit card sellers. Effortless spending, instant lifestyle, but is it real financial freedom or just a fast track to debt? Hey folks, welcome to NIIT, where we make finance simple. Today we are tackling a question every adult faces. Are credit cards a smart financial tool or a shiny trap? Some say they are lifesavers. Others say they are chaos. In this video, we are breaking down how credit card really works, the perks you get, the traps nobody talks about, and how to use them without wrecking your finances. Alright, let's kick off with the basics. What exactly is a credit card? It's not magic. It's not your money either. It's basically a short-term loan. The bank lets you borrow money and expects you to pay it back. Simple, right? Here's the twist. If you don't pay the full amount back on time, you get slapped with interest, and not the nice kind. In India, interest rates on unpaid balances can go from 30% to even 42% a year. In US, it's a bit lower, maybe 16 to 25%, but hey, it still stinks. Let's talk about the good side, because credit cards, when used right, can actually be super useful. First, it helps you build your credit score. If you use your card smartly, meaning you pay your bills on time and don't max out the limit, you build your credit score. In India, that's your CIBIL score. In US, it's your FICO score, and that score is everything, because banks use it to decide whether you get approved for a home loan, a car loan, even a rental house. A better score means lower interest rates, which actually leads to major savings. And we are talking about lakhs of rupees saved over a lifetime, just by being responsible. Second, a credit card feature a lot of people don't even know about, the interest-free period. Every card gives you a window, usually 20 to 50 days, where you can spend the bank's money for free. That's right, swipe now, pay later with zero interest. If you pay it back on time, you're golden. Pay late, and that's when 30% interest kicks in. Well, the third, it's rewards. You get cash back on groceries, discounts on fuel, movie ticket deals. You name it and you get it. Some people literally take international trips just using reward points. If you are someone who travels a lot or even just spends regularly, the right credit card can save you 15 to 20,000 a year. And don't forget that those airport lounge passes. Chill like a boss, eat like royalty, and pay nothing extra. And finally comes the safety. If someone hacks your debit card, that's your actual money disappearing. With a credit card, you're usually protected, as long as you report it fast. In India, the RBI has your back. In US, it's the same. Fraud protection is built in. That means you're not liable for fake transactions as long as you stay alert. Alright, now let's talk about the dark side, because the same plastic card that helps you can also destroy you. The first one is interest rates that eat you alive. Let's say you spend rupees 10,000 on your card and you don't pay it off. You just leave it there. At 36% interest, you'll owe over 13,600 by year end, and that's 3,600 gone, just because you waited. And if you keep ignoring it, the debt snowballs fast. Second, the minimum payment trap. Well, this one is super sneaky. You'll see a message, don't worry, just pay 500 instead of 5,000. Sounds chill, but what they don't tell you, interest keeps running in the background. So yeah, you paid something, but not enough. And next month it hits again with more interest. Do that for a few months and boom, you're trapped. Dragging the debt around for years, paying interest the whole time. The third point is spending psychology. This one's wild and very real. Studies show people spend 70 to 80% more with credit cards than they do with the cash. Why? Because it doesn't feel real. When you use cash, you physically see the money leaving your hand, But with a card, it's just a swipe. MIT researchers even proved it. Your brain literally feels less pain when you pay with a card, which is why people end up buying rupees 8,000 shoes when they walked in for a 2,000 ones. So here it is, the big question. Are credit cards good or bad? And the answer is, it depends on you. Used right, it's a game changer. Used wrong, it's a financial nightmare. Let me put it this way. A knife can be used to make a delicious meal, or it can cause serious harm. Same with credit card. It's all about how you use it. Alright, here's how to be credit card smart. Set reminders, or even better, turn on autopay. Never miss a due date. Never use more than 30% of your limit. Using too much hurts your credit score. Pick a card that fits your lifestyle. Cashback if you shop, travel cards if you fly, fuel cards if you drive. Never withdraw cash using your credit card. That's instant interest plus a fat fee. Stick to these and you'll never fall into the trap. So there you have it. The truth about credit cards. They are not scary, they are not magical. They are just a tool. Use it smartly, pay on time, keep your spending in check, and you are in control. Ignore it and you could be dealing with the years of debt and regret. Now it is your turn. How do you use your credit card? Racking up those sweet rewards, or have you slipped into the minimum payment trap? Let's talk in the comments. Real stories, real lessons. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and ring the bell. See you in the next one. Until then, swipe wisely.